Act 2 presents Myths about Microwave Popcorn. It is believed that the lining in a microwave popcorn bag causes cancer. The Act 2 Truths. Perfluorooctanoic acid or PFOA, which is normally used in the lining of microwavable bags, contains cancer-causing substances. However, Act 2 microwave popcorn bags are PFOA-free and contain no harmful chemicals. So, your favorite hot and fresh Act 2 microwave popcorn is an absolutely safe and delicious snack. Pop your bag now!